Hey guys, it's been a while since I made my last iPhone SE video. If you've been following my channel for some quite of time now, you might be familiar with the two devices right here, which is an iPhone SE and an iPhone 5S, which I usually feature on my channel. But unfortunately for me, both of those devices were stolen, which leads me to not being able to make further videos regarding the two devices. And years already passed, and as checking my channel again, I was surprised that some of you even requested to make more iPhone SE videos and even the new ones. So today, I'm happy to introduce to you this new iPhone SE. This is the second generation iPhone SE, and I bought here the red iPhone SE because YouTube is red, and this iPhone is for you guys. So, checking on the box, what we have here is a nice red finish, shiny finish for the name and for the Apple logo. And same goes for the other side right here and on this one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone. Like the new Apple products right now, we do get this nice tab on the sides of the boxes, which we could use to easily unwrap the box. And now we have the documents right here. So opening this up, what's inside is first we do get a product red card, and there's a message on the back that says, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of the iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Learn more at red.org. Okay, that's nice because we're supporting a cause as well with Product Red. Also, we do get here the manual on how to start your iPhone and this SIM card ejector thingy, and also some legal usage for the iPhone. And here we have the regular standard white Apple stickers. Now, here we have the iPhone. So let's just pull it out. So this is the iPhone. Let's just set it aside first and let's check out what else is inside the box if you purchase one. So inside the box we do get earpods, wired earpods, yes. And we do get a power brick using USB type A, which also we do get a lightning to USB type A cable. Now, focusing on the iPhone, we do get a nice black finish on the front for the display. And if you check out the back side of the iPhone, we do get this nice finish on the back and this nice product red indicator since we purchased a product red version of the product. And on the side, we do get the power button and the SIM card tray. And here on the bottom, we get the microphone, speaker, and port. And on the other side, we do get the volume controls and the volume toggle. And on the top, it's a clean top. There's nothing over there. Now, setting up the iPhone is quite easy if you do have another iOS device with you. So you could just open it up and that would automatically show in one of your iOS devices, which you could just tap continue and scan the unique code that will appear on the iPhone for you to easily set up your device, which you can see. That would pair with your iOS device and pass the necessary information to the iPhone. Now, setting up the iPhone, you would get this prompt to enter Touch ID, but here's a trick if you want to save two fingerprints as one fingerprint registration. So all you need to do is just alternate your left and right fingerprint as you register. Like what I'm doing right now with my thumb. I'm just switching from left to right and just adjust my grip and continue from left, right until it completes. And if we check this back on the settings application, as you can see, if I check my right and my left, it's just registered as one fingerprint. Also, going back to the setup process, if you do have a card that supports Apple Pay, you could just scan it to add Apple Pay to your iPhone. And also in the setup, you might be prompted to set up Siri, which also set up for your iPhone in order for you to access Siri without touching your iPhone. Which another nice feature in iOS is called Screen Time, which basically monitors and tracks how long do you use your iOS device and which apps do you usually spend your time on. Also, when purchasing an iPhone, you do get free apps, in which we do have here GarageBand, Keynote, Numbers, Pages, and iMovie. And also, purchasing a new iOS device will entitle you to a 1-year free Apple TV subscription. And you can just activate this by going to the Apple TV application on your phone and redeeming that 1-year free. Also, like modern iPhones, the iPhone SE does support wireless charging. So if you have a wireless charger with you, you could use that to charge in your iPhone. Also, since we do got a fresh device, we're going to run a speed test on this. And here are the results running on iOS 13.6, which is the base OS for iPhone SE, with a score of 1,318 for single core and 2,039 for multi-core. And upgrading that to iOS 14, we do get the score of 1,307 for single core and 1,889 for multi-core. And further upgrading it to the latest version, which is iOS 14.2, we do get the score of 1,320 for single core and 2,108 for multi-core. And at the time of making this video, I already had the iPhone with me in a couple of days. And here's what I could tell about the iPhone. Surprisingly, the iPhone SE is quite powerful. Think of it as the iPhone 11 inside the body of an iPhone 8. Though you don't get the wide camera option and night mode on the iPhone SE, which I find myself rarely using on the iPhone 11. But camera-wise, you still do get a 12 megapixel camera on the iPhone SE that can shoot up to 4K videos and also up to 60 frames per second for 4K videos. Also, if you're a fan of taking portrait shots, well, the iPhone SE does support portrait shot for both the rear cam and the front cam. And also, like every other supported iOS device, you still get access to the new iOS features such as instant switching and so on. And also, if you're planning to use eSIM on the iPhone SE, you would be able to do it because iPhone SE does support eSIM. So you could just scan your code and add your cellular plan. Which, like I said earlier, it's like the iPhone 11 in the body of an iPhone 8. Which leads us to the question, would I recommend buying it? Well, if you're someone who's planning to upgrade their iPhone, or perhaps someone who's planning to move to iOS but is in a budget, this iPhone might be just for you because you do get the powerful features of iOS in this small powerful device. And another reason that might occur to you is that you want a small machine. Well, because some people like smaller phones, this small powerful machine can run all the powerful features of iOS in just a small build. So that is it, guys. This is our unboxing, our setup, and our review of the iPhone SE 2nd generation. How about you guys? Are you planning to buy the iPhone SE or perhaps another phone? Let us know in the comment box below. And also, if you want to see other videos about the iPhone SE, let us know in the comment box below and we'll try to make them happen. So as always, guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.